Alright, what's up everybody? Just the game plan for today is to try to remove this oil stain and get rid of my little b-ball basketball court pressure washer job. So I'm gonna try to clean up all of this. Don't mind now, I just spilled some of the pressure washer clean. Get rid of this nasty stain right here. Try to clean up all that. I'm gonna pressure wash all that blackness off the bricks, and I'll probably make my way to about a quarter of the driveway or halfway point and then call it quits right there. So this is the before, what it looks like. And then once I get done, I'll show y'all the after. Let's get it. Alright, here go the finished product. So as you can see, I didn't touch this square. That oil stain is gonna take a couple, but everything's dried up. I hit this part right here. As you can see, night and day difference from this side to this side. Don't worry about them bunions. Alright, and then I hit this square right here. Got all over here. As you can see, the bricks, night and day difference. When I show y'all the before, all that was just black. It's still drying up, so it still look a little damp, but definitely a big difference. So only thing I got left is that cube. Once I hit this area right here, and then I'm gonna work my way on up. Like and subscribe. Peace.